Hey guys, this general instruction video is on how to use Hox3D's wall mount for the non-Ultimate Collector Series LEGO Star Wars Millennium Falcons. So going right into it, Hox3D offers two main styles for the Millennium Falcon mount. The angled style and then the flush style. The two mounts on the left are for LEGO Falcon model number 75257, while the two mounts on the right are for LEGO Falcon model numbers 75212, 75105, and 7965. I'd like to begin by emphasizing the importance of not taking off the landing gear of your Falcons. These mounts were designed to accommodate the landing gear, and taking off the landing gear may compromise the mounts, especially the flush style mounts. So on that note, let's start by showing how the smaller flush style mount works, which, again, works for LEGO Falcon model numbers 75212, 75105, and 7965. The three pins on the mount will be inserted into the three open holes on the bottom of the chassis of the Falcons right next to the bottom side turret. Depending on if you want the ship to face up or down once the mount is mounted, you'll either insert the mount on the front or back side holes of this chassis. Moving on to the angled style mount for LEGO Falcon model numbers 75212, 75105, and 7965. This mount has two pegs that go into the center channel on the bottom of the chassis on the Falcon. Depending on what direction the Falcon faces, the mount's pegs may be on one side of the channel or the other. The mount is made for you to slide the Falcon into its most well-balanced position once the bracket is braced to a wall. Now in regards to the flush mount for LEGO Falcon model number 75257, you will notice that it has 6 pins. These pins go into the holes in the wall of the center channel on the bottom of the chassis of the Falcon. Depending on if you want the ship to face up or down once the mount is mounted, you'll either insert the mount on the front or back side holes of this channel. Finally, the angled style mount for LEGO Falcon model number 75257. This mount has 3 stoppers that hold a 2x10 plate on the bottom of the ship. Depending on what direction the Falcon faces, the mount stoppers may hold one 2x10 plate or the other. The mount is made for you to slide the Falcon into its most well-balanced position once the bracket is braced to a wall. One last thing, if you have the flush style of mount, it is important when you mount your Falcon to make sure to slide the ship onto the mount. And then when taking the ship off the mount, slide the ship up, then pull it out. Again, slide it up, then pull it away from the wall. Thank you for following along with this video. If you need any more guidance on how to brace your mount to the wall, please watch our tutorial on how to mount Hox3D's LEGO Star Wars mounts. This link can be found in this video's description or on our website. If you have any more questions or concerns, please reach out to Hox3D at hox3d.llc@gmail.com, and we will be happy to help.